Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Want to record your screen in Windows 11 but don't want to install an extra software? So you are in the right place. In this video I will show you how to use it step by step. So let's get started. Go to search bar, then type settings, open settings, then look for gaming in this left panel, open gaming, then open captures. Now you have to press window key plus G to open X bar game bar. Now as you can see this camera icon, click on it. Now click on the settings, or you can directly open from settings here. Now you can see here, go to personalization, then you can change the theme from light to dark. I will suggest you to put as dark theme. Then scroll down a bit. Now for adjusting your recording settings for better quality, go to captures. Okay, now you can see here gaming features, click on it, then go to general. Now you can see here hide HDR notification when you start recording. Click this notification. Now for recording your screen recorder, click on this. Now it will start recording, or you can press Windows plus Alt key plus R to starting by default your screen recording. And that's it guys. Now you can record your screen for use using Windows 11 built-in tools. Let me know in the comment section what you will be recording. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.